The COVID curfew rolled back to 8 p.m. for Montrealers and those in Laval as of Sunday. The Premier holding a late-day press conference once again, the second in 3 days. Medical masks now mandatory in all Quebec workplaces, and we, like you watching, are complying with these measures. The province's Workplace Safety Board saying the new guidelines are a precaution against the threat of COVID-19 variants. They are also being made mandatory for outdoor activities. We'll have more on that a little later. But first, as COVID cases spike in the Captiale-Nationale region, measures extended there and in Gatineau. Here's what the Premier had to say.
We see that the third wave is getting stronger. Like many other places in the world, we have to bring back restrictions. I can tell you that I follow the data for each region very closely. Our challenge is to find a balance between mental and physical health. There's no magic recipe to succeed against the pandemic. We're having discussions with public health to find the best solution, but at the end of the day, I'm the one who make the decisions, and I take full responsibility. That being said, we continue to see significant increases of cases in 3 regions, Captiale-Nationale, Chaudière-Appalaches, and Outaouais. That's why I'm announcing that emergency measures in Quebec, Lévis, Beauce, and Gatineau will continue until April 18. In Montreal and Laval, the level of contagion is very high, and we expect it to accelerate even more. So as a precaution, I'm announcing that the curfew in Montreal and Laval will now be at 8 p.m. starting next Sunday. At the moment, we're keeping the schools open. We're also monitoring the region of Estrie very closely. If the increase continue there, we may have to turn the region in red zone. In Montérégie, Laurentides, and Lanaudière, the situation is stable, but we continue to follow the situation very closely. Meanwhile, we're continuing the vaccination. I would like to thank the teams leading this historic operation, and I ask you to get vaccinated as soon as it's your turn. The virus is present everywhere, and the variant is more contagious. I ask you to reduce your contacts as much as possible. I know it's difficult, but it's the only way to stop this third wave. Thank you.